Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Actually, I don't know where Zena is at the moment, but I wanted to show you guys a super cool Temu find. And from past video comments experience, I know that you guys don't like to look at my toes, so I am wearing socks for this, but this Temu product actually involves my Crocs. So, let's get into it. I'm going to have these linked down below, but I got a 5-pack of these super cute little pineapples, and then I also got a single little mushroom. So these just pop right onto your Crocs. I don't really know. Let's see. I have never used anything like this before. This pair of Crocs came with the Crocs logo, but they were, oh my gosh! That is so funny. Now I've got a little mushroom up there. I don't know if, now I can't, or it still fits like that. Oh, look how cute that is. Let's put on the other ones. Okay, let's do this little cute smooching pineapple. If you guys have any charms for your Crocs, tell me where you got them or what they look like down below. I have never really been into them before, but I found these on Temu and they were so cheap that I'm like, I can't not get these. So I am going to have the price on the screen, but the 5-pack was under $1, and this one, single mushroom, the 3D one, was only 99 cents. So, like, kind of unbelievably cheap, and they are pretty high quality. They fit the Croc holes perfectly, which I was kind of concerned about. I didn't know if these were universal, but these are actual Croc brand Crocs, and these charms fit perfectly. And then I don't want them to look the same, so that's why I'm not doing them in the same spots on both sides. Eventually, I want all the holes filled in, but let's put this one down here. I think these are super cute. And I mean, if you've got kids or anything, like in my family, every single kid's got a pair of Crocs. I mean, what a great gift to give your kid some of these super cheap little things. They can switch them out if they want. They can put multiple pairs of Crocs. And it's just kind of a really fun, really cheap way to personalize your shoes. So, let's stick these babies on. Oh my gosh, I think those are really cool looking. You like totally can't feel them. Now I am wearing socks, obviously. You can kind of feel this one a little bit. But I think they're really cool. I really, really like this one. Let's go find Zena. Zena, what do you think about my Croc charms? Do you like them? Do you like my charms? This bed is also super, super cute. We also got that on our latest Temu haul. That one's going to be linked down below also. Absolutely love it. Zena is an unripe banana. But overall, I think these are super cool. Again, cannot believe the price. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely, definitely, definitely check out Temu. Use our promo code GET2440 to get a total percentage off of your entire app purchase. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Look at how cute they are! Have a great one.